Today I'm going to show you the kind of testing that we put S2 through and how we can be sure it's going to stand up to the extreme temperatures out in the environment. But we're not going to test that with a blowtorch. We're going to test it with a temperature chamber. And to show you the kind of temperatures that S2 can withstand, I thought I'd make myself some lunch. And this kind of temperature testing is really important because we've seen devices just in a metropolitan car park reach upwards of 60 degrees when the ambient temperature is nowhere near. So we have to ensure that our device is capable of withstanding the harsh conditions from a car park, even to the outback. Okay, so that has been in there now long enough to cook my lunch, but more importantly, our device is still working. So let's see what this can do at sub-zero temperatures. So I thought I would make some ice to illustrate the extremely low temperatures that we test S2 to operate within. Now this is important because the stresses placed on the internal components need to last even in alpine conditions, monitoring snow levels and making sure that S2 doesn't skip a beat. So that has been about long enough, and as you can see, our device is pretty chilled out by now. It's got some icicles on it and it's still working. It also means that my ice cubes are ready and it's time for a drink. Cheers.